Welcome back students. Myself Raghuvan sir extends the chapter 1 in history of class 9. In the part 5, we will discuss about the immediate cause of the French Revolution, the tennis court oath and the formation of the National Assembly. Actually, the economic crisis and calling for meeting of States General became the immediate cause of this revolution. Economic and financial crisis compelled the king to call for the States General in 1789 AD so that he could impose new taxes. The king called the meeting of the States General on May 5, 1789. It was the States General which could pass the king's proposal for new taxes, as the king had no power to impose any taxes according to his own will alone. This meeting was called after a very long gap of about 175 years. The States General was a three-chambered body composed of the elected representatives of the three states, the clergy, the noble and the commons. The States General consisted of 1200 delegates. Of these, the commons had 600 representatives. In this state, most of the representatives were prosperous and highly educated. Peasants, artisans and women were not allowed to enter the assembly. However, the representatives brought with them their grievances and demands listed in some 40,000 letters. A magnificent hall in Versailles was prepared to host the delegates. As soon as the States General assembled, the members of the third estate demanded that vote must be taken by individuals and not by states or chambers. In this way, the commons would command majority and the government would be brought under popular control. But the king rejected their proposal. Consequently, the members of the third estate walked out of the assembly in protest. At last, after much discussion, the members of the third estate declared themselves National Assembly on June 17, 1789. By this title, the commons claimed the right to speak and act for the whole nation, even though they were not supported by the first and the second states. The angry members now assembled on June 20, 1789 in the hall of an indoor tennis court in the grounds of Versailles. Here they took the oath never to separate until the constitution of the kingdom shall be established. They were led by leaders like Mirabeau and Abbe. It is very strange that Mirabeau belonged to a noble family and Abbe to the clergy. Mirabeau delivered impressive speeches to the crowd assembled in the tennis court, and Abbe brought out a powerful pamphlet called What is the Third Estate? At last, the king had to allow the clergy and the nobles to join the commons. Consequently, the three states formed a single chamber, and thus the formation of the National Assembly was completed. Now, the political authority came into the hands of the masses. Undoubtedly, it was the first victory of the people over the king. Thus, it marked the real beginning of the French Revolution. Thanks.